and roll, you know?
Yeah, rock and roll.
Hey, and I gave you a bunch of free beer, so that means you gotta go crazy. Sound good?
You heard the first part of this song.
We want our freedom and we want it now.
Hey!
That's your part. Hey! So I say, we want our freedom and we want it now. We want our freedom and we don't care how.
There you go.
All that shit. You ready?
1, 2, 3, 4. We want our freedom and we want it now. We want our freedom and we don't care how. We need to change and we need it back. We need to change our world. Rock on now.
Yeah, that would have rocked a little more had I not pulled the damn mic plug out again. Alright, I fucked up. So I'm gonna give you a chance now, okay? I fucked up. I'm gonna say we want our freedom and we want it now. You're gonna say, hey. You guys ready? One more time. We want our freedom and we want it now! We want our freedom and we don't care how! We want our freedom and we got it fast! Shit,
Are we just gonna play that all night? Is that the plan?
That's the only session, that's it.
Don't tell me that's our encore.